Hello, my name is Alexi. I'm a sales manager in charge of the API region, and I'm going to introduce our developer kits. In Aetina, we have 4 types of developer kits, and their main differences include NVIDIA Jetson models, form factor, and I/O ports. The first one is just a bit larger than a business card, and is suitable for applications that require a compact design. It can be equipped with a Jetson Orin Nano or an X model, and will support up to 2 MIPI cameras per 22-pin CSI2 connector. The second type has a larger form factor, can be equipped with the same Jetson models but will have more available I/O ports, and will also support up to 4 MIPI or GMSL cameras through a 120-pin CSI2 connector and adaptive work. Then, for more powerful applications, we have 2 developer kits that can be equipped with a Jetson Aerox Orin model. And compared to the previous one, this one will also have additional USB-C and 10 gigabit per second LAN port. And another one will also have 2 or 4 PoE ports, which can be used for connecting power peripherals, for example PoE cameras, to capture live video or image source for Edge AI applications. If you like what you just heard, drop us a line. The link is in the description box, and I hope to hear from you soon.
Hi, I'm Greta, the sales manager in charge of the APAC regions. Here at Aetina, AI is not the future, AI is the present. We have produced more than 600 use cases around the globe. For example, TrueFlow's portable ultrasonic testing, with seamless data streaming and automatic defect recognition. You can conduct inspection on the go, free from all the size restrictions. And that's not all. DAT's awesome intelligent sensor system, equipped with instant image analysis. It can help farmers grow more food with less herbicide. That's all for today, and if you'd like to know more, feel free to drop us a line, or you can come visit us at GTC in March, ISC West, and Embedded World in April. And don't forget Computex, one of the world's top 3 ICT exhibitions. So, thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed discovering Aetina's Jetson Orin series with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you next time.